Okay, so quick video of how to convert this guy from a IR barrel to a lever switch activated ammo counter. So we need to do some surgery. Sorry. There are 2 Phillips screws in here. It's just a normal Phillips screw. Comes out, and then this guy will open up. Give it a little rocking motion. And the lid comes off to expose the electronics inside. And if you notice, there's a ribbon cable. We are going to be replacing that ribbon cable with a new one. So if you move the face back and forth, you can separate the 2 circuit boards here. And be aware that there is a lithium battery built into this housing, and it is even with it off, this circuit is still live, so there is still voltage running on this board. Nothing in what we're working on over here. Just so you're aware, don't push anything metal into this circuit board, please. Thank you. So we're going to remove this ribbon cable. So that's off. These guys are now detached and loose, and we're going to install our new ribbon cable. And now we're going to look a little closer that these 3 pins, see if I can focus on it. Come on. Nope. I don't think it's going to focus. Okay, so these 3 pins have markings right above them. That's one says GND, the center one says plus, and the last one says FIRE. And you'll see similar markings on the other one. We need to line that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blue, purple, white and line them up in a row. So blue goes to ground, white goes to plus, and white goes to FIRE, and push the new ribbon cable on. And then on the other side, I'll do the exact same thing. I'll take the blue wire and push it to ground. I'll take the purple wire and push it to plus, and I'll take the white wire and push it to FIRE. And they'll all be in a row. They'll be in the same order on each board. So blue, purple, white, blue, purple, white. Your colors might not match because I'm making multiple kits like this, but that's the gist of it. Okay, so now we have the new ribbon cable installed. We can put this back together, put the face back in. Oh no, are my cables longer than the old ones? They are. No, they're the same, so it should fit. Should fit. It's just going to be a tight fit. There we are. And you can see they're smushed into each other, but everything's connected. This little ribbon cable just gets pushed down into that space, and these 2 new wires come off the back. So I'll direct your attention to the USB on the back. There is a top loop on this USB. You need to take some cutters and cut that off on either side. So then you can lay this cable down and it'll come out the back. So when I put this back down, it'll all snap back together and take it. I didn't snip mine, so mine's not going to fit up. I'm just going to leave the cover off for now. Okay, so we can now test it. So I'm going to flip it on. And when it first boots up, it's still going to be in IR mode. We need to switch it to lever switch mode. So hold down the left switch, the minus, and go forward until you get to the F number. Now I have mine already set up for lever, but I'm going to go into it, hold the right button to access the setting, and now we can change it. And your 2 options are 0 and 1. 0 is for switch operation, 1 is for the IR sensor. We're going to put it into F0. Hold the left button to exit setup, and now we're ready to press our button. And we're done. 5 minutes.